w porządku. Dzień dobry, witam
Good morning, Tomasz Kiko, coach of Legia Warsaw. First aid training is a great future. First of all, it is a practice associated with great realism. We are in real-life threatening situations. For example, what we practice today, a situation in the stadium similar to what Eriksen found himself in during a European Championship match. His friend knew how to behave and saved his life. Such a practice that we experience today is definitely needed. It is a great future in training. It is a short but intense training that is worth repeating, because by repeating, we refresh our knowledge, and if we find ourselves in such a situation, we know how to behave. I thought it would be so pretend, but the VR training is very real. The situation is very similar to what we can find at a football match, where someone screams, someone does not know what really happened there, and in a stressful situation you have to react to what is happening. This makes everything very realistic.
Realistyczne.